This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. If you try to ask ChatGPT about a script or anything related to ethical hacking, you will not get an answer. But luckily for us, there is a solution for that too. In the upper left corner, find Explore GPTs, and then type HackerGPT. You will be shown a list with other AI platforms. In this case, we choose HackerGPT. And we ask him the same question. As you can see, we are getting a response that we couldn't get from regular ChatGPT. HackerGPT generates a detailed answer. But anyway, you can use this only for the purpose of ethical hacking. For example, you can't ask him to do some dangerously illegal things like making fake views on a tick stream. Write me your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this option and whether you have tried it?